Hey guys, so before tayo mag-build ng ating AI chatbot, first kailangan natin na tinatawag na chatbot builder. And yung chatbot builder na gagamitin natin is 100% free. So wala kang babayaran ng monthly subscription. Alright, so madali lang gumawa ng ating chatbot builder. First, kailangan nakalagin tayo sa ating Facebook profile. So punta tayo ng facebook.com and then login nyo lang yung inyong Facebook. And then, pag okay na yung account nyo sa Facebook, nakalagin na, click nyo lang new tab. And then, i-type nyo dyan is bootcake.io. Enter. And then, after that, mapupunta kayo sa bootcake.io or bootcake website. Okay, so ito yung official website ng bootcake. So, makikita nyo sa taas, sa upper right corner, meron dyan login. Click nyo yung login. And then, lilitaw dyan yung Facebook login for business. Nakalagay is continue as yung Facebook profile nyo. So, click nyo lang yung continue. And then, choose the pages you want Bootcake to access. Ibig sabihin, pipili kayo ng page nyo or Facebook page na gusto nyo i-connect sa Bootcake. For example, ito, meron akong 3 pages na connected sa Facebook account na to. So, pwede ko siya i-connect lahat. Okay, so pwede rin kayong pumili ng gusto nyo lang na i-connect. Pero for me, I recommended na open to all current and future pages. Para halimbawa, in the future, gusto mo i-connect yung ibang pages mo ba, nandun na siya. So walang hassle. And then continue nyo lang. Then lilitaw din yung business assets nyo. Like yung business manager account, lilitaw yan dyan. So open to all current and future pages or businesses. So rather, click lang yung continue. And then again, lilitaw dyan yung choose the Instagram accounts you want Bootcake to access. So, lilitaw dyan yung Instagram accounts na meron kayo. So, open to all current nyo lang ulit. And then, continue. After that, review nyo lang yung page na to. And then, mag-okay na. Ayan, save. So, yun. Yung Facebook profile nyo is connected to Bootcake. So, click nyo lang yung got it. And then, ayan. So, connected na yun inyong or nakagawa na kayo ng Bootcake account. Now, syempre yung BMM digital page, connected na siya automatically. Kasi meron na tayo dyan. For example, nagawa tayo ng ating or i-connect natin yung ibang page pa natin. Okay, so gumawa ako ng copy page for our course, not specifically. So, ang gagawin natin is po-connect natin yung page na yun. So, click natin yung connect. And then, pipiliin natin dyan is Messenger since page yung ginawa natin. Pero just in case gagawa kayo ng automation or AI chatbot sa Instagram, click nyo yan. Or WhatsApp, TikTok, Zalo, Viber, Line, and Telegram. So, since Facebook page yung ating ititest, click natin yung Messenger. And then, lilitaw dyan, we found 2 sites you are managing. Ibig sabihin, nakita ni Meta, nakita ni Bootcake, na ito yung mga pages mo sa Meta or Facebook. Right. So, kung multiple page siyang i-connect, i-check nyo lang itong nasa gilid. I-check, mark, photo. Yan. Dahil click nyo yung active sa taas, automatically, yung dalawa na yan, makakonect na. Pero just in case, isa lang muna yung i-connect nyo dyan, i-hover nyo lang sa name ng page, and then may active button sa gilid. Yan. So, click natin active para makonect. And then, ayan na. So, connected na sa Bootcake itong ating AI chatbot test page. Now, kung pupunta tayo sa bootcake.io, as you can see, kanina BMM digital page lang, di ba? Now, connected na rin itong AI chatbot test page.